In the previous video, we learned about the division. I gave the introduction about the division. Also, we are solving the exercise 5.1 and I also gave you the homework, and hopefully that you complete your homework by today. And now we are going to learn our next topic, that is division of two digit by one digit. Okay, so simply how can you, as you know, this is the symbol of the division, but this is only the symbol. For example, multiplication, we are using 5 plus multiplied by 3, then you have to be write down like this. 4 plus 5, then you are writing like this. 7 minus 2, but whenever you are doing the process, then you are write like this. 5 multiplied by 3, 4 plus 5, 7 minus 2. Right, so this is the way to represent the data, to solve the data. These are only the symbolic form, and this is the process which you are using to solve your questions. Like that, this is the symbol of the division. This is symbol of the division. Whenever this symbol is given to you, that means you have to do division. As we are doing multiplication, like that, we can also do the division using this symbol. This is the sign to do the division of the numbers. Okay, so now we are going to start. I gave you first example. First I will show you the one digit division by one digit. Oh no, there will be a two digit by one digit. Already I write that. So first simple example. 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3. As you know, 12 को अगर हमें 3 ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड करना हो तो ग्रुप 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 2 3. So 4 plus 4 8 8 plus 4 12. तो इस तरह से आप डिवाइड कर सकते हो, and also you can get the answers for that. But how can you do the division? As you know, this is the dividend and this is the divisor. Okay, so 12 डिवाइडेंड जो होगा आपको अंदर की साइड पे लिखना होगा, और जो डिवीजन होगा वो आउट ऑफ दिस साइन आएगा. Now for the division, first of all you have to be remember the multiplication tables. 1 का टेबल, 2 का टेबल, टिल वी आर लर्निंग द 20 टेबल. सो आपको कंपलसरी 20 तक टेबल्स आने चाहिए. अगर आप भूल गए हो, यू कैन ऑल्सो रिवाइज द प्रीवियस टेबल्स अगेन. It already in our textbook, so you can show the tables and revise the table. अगर आपको याद नहीं रहते तो आप नोटबुक में उसको लिख के भी याद कर सकते हो. So first of all, we have to divide 12 into the 3 groups. So we have to take the table of the 3. So I am starting 3 ones are 3. Yes, one more thing. Here there will be a 3. Here there will be a 12. First I am taking example of 1 digit by 1 digit. Means 9 divided by 3, 9 divided by 3. Okay. I am not taking of directly 2 digit by 1 digit. First 1 digit by 1 digit. So 3 here, 9 here. Here first, whenever you are going for the division, you have to check the both value. आपको dividend और divisor को compare करना पड़ेगा. You can see that there is a dividend is greater than to the divisor, so you can divide. अगर 1 digit है तो बस आपको इतना ही compare करना रहेगा कि ये small है, ये large है, इसका that's it, nothing else. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So answer we got the 9. मतलब 9 answer आ गया. But how can you write 3 already here? 3 threes are 3, threes are 9. 3 threes are 9, and as you know, division is the repetition of subtraction. So you have to put the sign of the subtraction here. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. So this is the dividend. This is divisor, and whenever we divide dividend to divisor, अगर हम dividend को divisor से divide करते हैं, then we got the quotients. That's it. This is a simple one digit by one digit. Now we are learning two digit by one digit. You have to remember the name of the dividend, divisor and all. Next, 42 divided by 2. 42 divided by 2. So arranging this, 42 divided by 2. Now we have a dividend. We have a divisor. In a one digit to one digit division, what we have to do, we are comparing the numbers. This divisor is compulsory smaller than the dividend. First condition of the divisor is compulsory smaller than the dividend. That will be, you can see, dividend is 42, divisor is 2. So 2 is smaller than 42. Now we have to divide the two digit number by one digit number, right? So first of all we have to do comparing. जिस तरह से हम वन डिजिट में करते थे वैसे ही हमें टू डिजिट में भी करना पड़ेगा. कंपेयरिंग टू बाय द फर्स्ट डिजिट, जो टेंस प्लेस का होगा डिजिट उससे आपको कंपेयर करना है. ये रहा फर्स्ट डिजिट, ये रहा टेंस प्लेस, वंस टेंस. कंपल्सरी यू हैव टू कंपेयर द डिवीजर बाय द टेंस प्लेस ऑफ डिविडेंड. डिविडेंड का जो टेंस प्लेस होगा उन दोनों को कंपेयर करना है. 2, 4. So 2 is smaller than 4. तो आप एक एक डिजिट को लेके डिवीजन कर सकते हो. Now writing the table of 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. ये रहा 2, ये रहा 4. 2 2s are 4 minus 0. हो गया one digit. Then we have to drop down the 2 below like this. Then start division. 2, here is also 2, so 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, subtraction 0. So this is the way to do the division. You have to draw the compulsory arrow. अगर आप arrow draw नहीं करते हो तो आपको mistake भी हो सकती है. So from my side it's compulsory for you that you have to draw the arrow. So this is the questions. That's it. Second example. (24) divided by 3. 24 divided by 3. Now I am going to start. Arrange them. 24 divided by 3. First condition we have to check. Divisor is compulsory smaller than the dividend. डिवीजर जो है वो डिविडेंड से छोटा होना चाहिए. हियर इज द 3, हियर इज 24. सो हमारा जो डिवीजर है दैट इज द स्मॉलर देन द 24, सो वी कैन डू द डिवीजर. सेकंड कंडीशन, वी हैव टू कंपेयर द टेंस प्लेस ऑफ डिविडेंड टू द डिवीजर. हमें डिविडेंड का टेंस प्लेस और हम डिवीजर जो है उसको कंपेयर करना पड़ेगा. अगर ये बड़ा है और ये छोटा है तो डिवीजन के लिए हमें दूसरी मेथड ट्राई करनी पड़ेगी. सो हियर देयर विल बी 3, हियर देयर इज अ 2. सो 3 इज ग्रेटर देन टू द 2. 3 इज ग्रेटर देन टू द 2. सो दिस कंडीशन इज नॉट राइट. 3 का आप टेबल ही बोलोगे 3 1 3, तब कैसे लिखोगे यहाँ पे. सो नाउ सेकेंड मेथड, you have to take a 2 digit. आपको 2 digit को compare करना है. अगर वो बड़ा होता है then you can do the division. So 24 is larger than the 3. So condition is right. Now you can do the division. So table of 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, and 3 eights are 24. So answer will become 3 8s are 24. Subtraction 4 minus 4, जो हमारा रूल है सब्ट्रैक्शन का वही हम फॉलो करेंगे स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द वंस प्लेस. 4 minus 4 0, 2 minus 2 0. That's it. Answer will be came here. Now third. Okay. So before the starting the third, for example, I have a 15 pens. I have 17 pencils. I have 17 pencils and I have to distribute this 17 pencils among 5 students. मेरे पास टोटल 17 पेंसिल्स है, उसको मुझे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करनी है 5 स्टूडेंट्स में. तो मैं यहाँ पे लिख देती हूँ 1 2 3 4 and 5. राइट. तो 17 है तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. ओ सब में इक्वल नहीं होंगे. We have to divide them equally. हम उसको equally divide करना है. तो क्या हुआ यहाँ पे 4 4 3 3 3, मतलब इन दोनों के पास से मुझे एक एक ले लेनी पड़ेगी. अभी क्या बचा, अगर 3 होती तो हम एक और स्टूडेंट को बुला के उसमें डिवाइड करते, बट 3 3 3 3 3 and the 2 means 2 are remaining here. So now we are going to learn the concept of the remainder. Whenever you are doing the division, sometimes what will be happen, some of the number are remain. कुछ नंबर जो होते हैं वो रह जाते हैं, remaining होते हैं. That is called the remainder of the division. That is called the remainder of division. Whenever you are starting the division, whenever you are doing the division, sometimes some numbers are remain, that is called the remainder. Definition is already given in the textbook, you can check them. So what is the remainder? It's a remaining number. Simple way, मैं simple एक one sentence के लिए बोलूँ, one word के लिए बोलूँ, तो एक क्या है, वो एक सिंपल एक नंबर है जो रिमेन रहता है डिवीजन के टाइम पे. For example, taking the same example, 17 divided by 5. So 17 5. So 5 1. 1 is the smaller, 5 is the larger. So we have to take the two numbers. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. Okay, so there will be 15 and 20, but we have to be find the 17. तो दोनों के बीच में है, तो जो स्मॉलर नंबर होगा आपको वो लेना है. आपको ऐसे लिखना है 15 20. 17 is between the 15 and 20. So you have to take for 17 a smaller number. जो उससे छोटा होगा वही नंबर आपको लेना है, वरना आप सब्ट्रैक्शन नहीं कर पाओगे. So 5 3s are 5 3s are 15. Okay, starting from the ones place, 7 minus 5 2, 1 minus 1 0. Okay, that's it. This is the dividend. This is the divisor. This is the quotient. And this is remainder. Next thing, remember one thing, whenever you find out the answer, if you want to check your answer is right or the wrong, you have to compulsory check that your question is compulsory larger than the reminder. आपका जो reminder होगा वो question से छोटा ही होना चाहिए. If you got 3 in the question and you have a 4 as a reminder, then your answer is the wrong. अगर आपको कंपेयर करना है आपका आंसर राइट है कि रॉन्ग है, तो उसके लिए एक ही मेथड है, आपको कंपेयर करना पड़ेगा क्वेश्चंस और रिमाइंडर. कैसे? इफ योर रिमाइंडर इज स्मॉलर देन द क्वेश्चन, देन योर आंसर इज राइट. बट इफ यू गेट द लार्ज रिमाइंडर देन द क्वेश्चन, योर आंसर विल बी रॉन्ग. So this is the way to find out the remainder in the division. Second example for the division, which clear the concept of the remainder. $79 divided by 7. Sorry. 79 divided by 7. So 79 divided by 7. This is the dividend. No need to write down in the everywhere. For the first example, you have to write this only. This is the divisor. Okay. First, comparing the number 7, 7. Both are the same, means you can do the division easily for the one digit. 7 multiply 7, and we have to also find the 7. So 7 ones are 7. So that's it. 7 ones are 7. 7 minus 7, 0, 9. Comparing the 7 and the 9, both are not equal, then you have, that is the remainder. अगर आपका डिवीजर भी आपके रिमाइंडर से बड़ा होता है, आपका रिमाइंडर अगर डिवीजर से छोटा होता है, then you have to be stop the division at that time. Okay, so 7 and 9 means 9 is the larger than the divisor. So you can do the division again. So this is the 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. But we have to be find out the 9. तो 9 क्या है, 7 और 14 के बीच में आएगा. तो you have to again take 7 ones are 7 minus 9 minus 7, 2. So this is the remainder. Compare, to find out the answer, we have to be compare the quotients and the remainder. So remainder is 2, quotient is the 11, so your answer is the right, just because quotient is the larger than the remainder. 7, 2. 7 is larger than the remainder, so you have to be stop the division now. So these are the examples of the division. Next, story sums. Okay, I am writing on one example and then we will solve it. There are, sorry again, teacher has 98 balloons with her. She has to be distribute. She wants to distribute balloons among 8 students. How many balloons each student get. Okay, so what will be the question? Teacher has 98 balloons with her. टीचर के पास 98 balloons है. She wants to distribute balloons among 8 students. टोटल उसके पास है 98 balloons. उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है 8 स्टूडेंट्स में. टोटल हैव 98. 8 students are there and she wants to distribute the balloons among the 8 students. 8 स्टूडेंट में इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है. इक्वली. How many balloons each student get? Each का मतलब क्या होता है? वो How many each student get? मतलब एक स्टूडेंट के पास कितने बलून्स रहेंगे. So now we are going to write down the answer. अगर आपको सबका दिया हो, टोटल दिया हो और आपको एक नंबर दिया हो कि इतने नंबर में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है, डिवाइड करना है, अगर ये वर्ड आता है तो आपको कुछ नहीं सोचना. You have to do just division. Divide, division, distribute, then separate. That the word will become. Then you have to do the division at that time for the story sum. कोई स्टोरी सम याद रखना पड़ेगा क्योंकि सारे स्टोरी सम आएंगे एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन. सो सबके वर्ड्स याद रखो. मैंने मल्टीप्लिकेशन में भी सिखाया था, तब सब रिवाइज करना पड़ेगा जस्ट बिकॉज एग्जाम इज द नियर अस. ओके. Total number of balloons are 98. Number of students 8. Now we have to find out the number of balloons to one student. Number of balloons each स्टूडेंट गेट. एक स्टूडेंट के पास कितने रहेंगे तो उसके लिए हमें डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा 98 बाई 8. सो 98 डिवाइडेड बाई 8 and 9. Comparing is the first rule. 8, 9. 9 is the largest, so we can do the division. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So between there will be a 9. So we have to take the smaller number. 8 ones are 8 minus 9 minus 8. There will be a 1. 8 1. 1 is the smaller number. So we have to drop down the 8 below. Okay. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. We have to find out the 18. So 18 is between the 16 and the 24. So we have to choose the 16. Means 8 twos are 8 twos are 16. Starting from the ones place, 8 minus 8 is 2. 1 minus 1 0. So this is the remainder. So you have to write down the answers like that. And yes, one more thing, if there will be a not equally divided, and one more thing will be ask you, and how many left. अगर इस तरह का क्वेश्चन आता है how many left, इसका मतलब होगा कि कंपल्सरी उस डिवीजन में रिमाइंडर आएगा ही आएगा अगर लेफ्ट वर्ड आता है तो. So you can write down the answer. Therefore each student get 12 balloons and 2 balloons are left. Like that. That's it. So now I'm going to end my video here, and we already do the division of 2 digit by 1 digit, concept of the remainder, and the story sum of the division by 2 digit to the 1 digit. So now I'm ending my video, and on the next virtual class, whenever we meet on the Saturday, we can solve the exercise that will be exercise 5.2. Whenever you are going to attend the exercise, revise all the previous topics. Then be ready with your notebook and the textbook with you. Okay, so have a